If you're like me, you can't stand seeing floppy carrots, rotten zucchini or brown broccoli in your crisper week on week. But it happens to a lot of households. It's a harsh reality and we're all guilty of wasting food. A few years ago, I decided enough was enough and created the Swag, a patented multi-layered 100% natural bag designed to keep your fruit and veggies fresher for longer, 2 weeks on average in fact. Each individual veggie, leafy green and herb can breathe freely and take on water at its own pace. So whether or not you're already a swagger, here are a few key tips to getting the most out of your veggies using the Swag. Tip number 1, vinegar bath those veggies before storing them in the fridge. It's a natural antibacterial and a great alternative to harsh commercial cleaning agents. Tip number 2, treat your veggies like a bunch of flowers. They need air and water to thrive. Chop the dry ends to give them a fresh base to breathe and hydrate more efficiently, and pop them into a lightly dampened Swag and into the crisper. This will extend their life by up to 2 weeks. Tip number 3, corn. I love a hot buttery corn on the cob. For your fresh corn, take it completely out of the husk before placing them into your dampened down Swags. Keep in the crisper with all of your other veggies tucked snugly into their Swags and they'll stay much fresher for longer. Finally, place the harder produce at the bottom of your Swags. I always start with carrots, then cucumbers, capsicum, broccoli, and then start stacking on your zucchini, squash, and then your lettuce and herbs on top. It works fabulously. If you're looking for a much more sustainable, eco-friendly way to keep your fruit and veggies fresher for longer and you haven't heard of the Swag until now, jump over to our website and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, where you'll join our family of happy swaggers, get updates and other swagging tips. Happy swagging!